In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to process an order in your Wayfair seller account. We'll go through the essential steps needed to efficiently manage an order from start to finish, ensuring that your customers receive their products on time and in excellent condition. So let's dive right in and make this process as smooth as possible for you. To begin with, you'll want to log into your Wayfair seller account where all your backend activities are managed. Once you're in, you'll see a variety of different options and sections. But for the purpose of this tutorial, let's focus on the orders section. This is where you access all the orders placed by your customers. Go ahead and click on orders and you'll be presented with a list of current orders. Now select the first order in the list to get started. You'll see comprehensive details about this order, including customer information, the product ordered, and any specific requests or instructions left by the buyer. Taking a moment to review these details carefully is crucial. You want to ensure that all the information aligns with what you have in stock. Once you've confirmed that the order details are correct, the next step is to check your inventory for stock availability. Ensure you have the product ready to be shipped. This step cannot be overemphasized as it's vital to maintaining customer satisfaction and avoiding any potential issues with order fulfillment. With the product confirmed in stock, it's time to move on to packaging. Proper packing is crucial for safe delivery. Choose a sturdy box or mailer that fits the product snugly and use bubble wrap or packing peanuts to provide additional protection. This not only ensures the product arrives safely, but also gives your customer a positive unboxing experience. After packing the product securely, ship it using your preferred courier service. Whether it's a domestic or international order, making arrangements for shipping quickly will help in adhering to the estimated delivery times provided to your customers. Always double check that your shipping service has all the correct details for timely and accurate delivery. Finally, once everything is shipped, head back to your Wayfair dashboard to mark the order as shipped. This is a critical step because it notifies the customer that their order is on its way and allows them to track the package. Don't forget to provide the tracking information, as it keeps customers informed about the status of their shipment and enhances their overall experience. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to processing an order in your Wayfair seller account. By following these steps, you ensure a seamless process that keeps your operations running smoothly while also enhancing customer satisfaction. Thanks for tuning in, and happy selling!